Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of excluding muted chats from Telegram's badge counter. If you want to have a more streamlined notification experience and only see unread messages in your badge counter, this full guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner. This will open the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings and scroll down to find Notifications and Sounds. Tap on it to access the notification settings. Step 4. Scroll down in the Notifications and Sounds menu until you find Badge Counter. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. In the Badge Counter settings, you will find an option to disable Include Muted Chats. Disable this option to exclude muted chats from the badge counter and only display unread message counts. By following these simple steps, you can easily exclude muted chats from Telegram's badge counter. This way, you can focus on important conversations and reduce unnecessary notification distractions. We hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful in excluding muted chats from Telegram's badge counter. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a more organized messaging experience in Telegram.